And guys, don't forget that in the settings, you will have to update your billing if you want to continue using droov. I'm pretty sure it's gonna be for free until you place, I believe, 40 orders or 50 orders. Let's go to pricing of droov. And in pricing, you can see that droov is for free as long as you don't exceed 50 orders per month. So, but you pay around 20 cents for every order. Once you get more than 150 orders every month, you will be charged around 30 euros per month or $30 per month, plus 19 cents for every order. And then it goes up and up. So if you get more than 300 orders per month through your new store, you will be paying around 130 euros plus 14 cents per single order. And that does not include the transaction fees. So PayPal and Stripe that we just connected, there are some fees that those payment providers charge. It's around 1.5 to 2.5%, I believe. So depending on which country you're operating. But this is the pricing for droov. To continue using droov beyond the trial period, beyond the free trial, we'll need to add our payment method. So to pay monthly for droov. And I'm going to provide my card details and hit that save button. All right, so the payment method was added successfully. We're good to go. And with that, I will wrap up this tutorial, guys. Thank you very much for following along. If you came this far, make sure to like, subscribe, and share. Spread the word, guys. Thank you very much, and I hope to see you in the next video. Let me know in the comments what I should do next. If there's a product that you would like me to review, or simply drop in the comments the store that you have created, and I will give you my feedback. And until then, have a good time.